it. Motherfucker just totally ate that light. Shit. Wow. So he runs the light and he has a brake light out. Mr. HPM5552. No signal changing lanes. And it right? It was and everything. What the hell was that?
Nah.
So freaking annoying, bro. Just stays there. It's another one. It's blocking up the whole entire lane.
Speed camera.